First Grade Math. Pizza Party Edition. Mike is going to have a pizza party. He bought 5 pizzas. He finds out he has more friends coming, so he needs 4 more pizzas. How many pizzas will he have for his party? Let's write an equation to solve this problem. Stop here and write down your equation. At first, he bought 5 pizzas. Then he realized he needed 4 more pizzas. So, we have 5 plus 4 equals the number of pizzas Mike will have at his party. Did you get 9 pizzas? Good job! If you liked this video, please click the thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. If you want to be notified about new videos, please click the notification button.